Brace yourself because this might blow your mind. Chainsaws were first invented for childbirth. In the late 18th century, two Scottish doctors created the chainsaw to help with a medical procedure called symphysiotomy. This procedure involved widening the pelvis to assist in difficult childbirths. Crazy, right? These early chainsaws were a far cry from the roaring machines we know today. They were small, hand-cranked, and used to cut through bone, not trees. Fast forward to the early 20th century, and someone had the bright idea to use them for chopping wood. And that's how the chainsaw went from the operating room to the forest. So, next time you see one in action, you'll know its unexpected origins. Stay curious.